Hello, dear student. Myself, Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bhokardan, District Jalna. Today we will see to discuss our syllabus as of General Electronic from BSc second year semester 4 course code PHY 205 paper number 11. Now electronics terms basically made by electron plus mechanics, which means study the behavior of an electron at different conditions applied electric field. The device which control the flow of electrons is called electronic device. These devices are the main building block of electronic circuit. The motion of electron through a conductor gives us electric current. This electric current can be produced with the help of batteries and generators. Now, electronics have various branches including digital electronics, analog electronics, microelectronics, nanoelectronics, optoelectronics, and integrated circuit and also semiconductor devices. Diode vacuum tube was the first electronic component invented by J. A. Fleming. Later, Lee De Forest developed the triode, a three vacuum tube cable of voltage amplification. In 1947, Bell Laboratories developed the first transistor based on the research of Shockley, Bardeen and Brattain. In 1959, Jack Kilby of Texas Instruments developed the first integrated circuit. Electronic devices are playing a major role in everyday life, such as computers, mobile phone, ATM, pen drive, television, and digital camera, etc. Now, in this fast developing society, electronic has come to stay as the most important branch of engineering. Electronic devices are being used in almost all the insulators for quality control and automation. Electronics is the branch of engineering which deals with current conduction through a vacuum or gas or semiconductor is known as electronics. An electronic device is that in which current flows through a vacuum or gas or semiconductor. Such devices have valuable properties which enable them to function and behave as the friend of man today. Now, paper number 11 consists of contents are semiconductor, transistor biasing and amplifiers, oscillators and multivibrators, modulation and demodulation, physics practical course PHY 207, paper number based on general electronics, course code number PHY 205, paper number 11, and reference books. Now see semiconductor. Now semiconductor having the topics: first, introduction, construction, working and characteristic of semiconductor diode, Zener diode, Zener diode characteristic, transistor, PNP and NPN transistor characteristic, common emitter, common base and common collector, construction, working and characteristic of field effect transistor, that is FET, and MOSFET. Now, semiconductor physics, certain substances like germanium, silicon, carbon, etc. are neither good conductors like copper nor insulator like glass. In other words, the resistivity of these materials lies in between the conductor and insulators. Such substances are classified as semiconductor. Now, semiconductors have some useful properties and are being extensively used in electronic circuit. Also, transistor, a semiconductor device, is fast replacing bulky vacuum tubes in almost applications. A semiconductor is substance which has resistivity, that is 10 raised to minus 4 to 0.5 ohm meter in between conductors and insulator. For example, germanium, silicon, carbon, etc. Now, semiconductors are the material that are neither conductors nor insulators. Now, we have also discussed in chapter number 2, that is transistor biasing and amplifiers. Transistor biasing, selection of operating point, bias stability, transistor biasing circuit, fixed bias or base bias, collector feedback bias, emitter feedback bias or self bias, single stage transistor amplifier. Also, frequency response of RC coupled amplifier. Now, also in that chapter, noise amplifier, feedback in amplifiers, operational amplifier characteristic, inverting and non-inverting amplifier, operational amplifier as an adder and subtractor. Transistor is used to amplify the weak signal. The weak signal is given to the base circuit and amplified output is obtained in the collector circuit. The increase in strength of signal without any change in shape is known as faithful amplification. Now also in chapter number 2 there is a operational amplifier. That operational amplifier are the group of amplifiers which performs number of operations like amplification of signal, the addition of signal, the multiplication and division of signal. Now in chapter number 3, oscillator and multivibrators. Now, two-port network representation of transistor. Also that contain hybrid parameter of or H parameter, positive feedback, basic principle of oscillator, requirement of feedback, and also RC oscillator, phase shift oscillator, LC oscillator and Hartley oscillator. Transistorize. Also it contains a stable multivibrator, monostable multivibrator, bistable multivibrator. An oscillator is a circuit that generates a repetitive AC signal. The oscillator is an alternative to the mechanics generator used to produce electric power. Audio signal is not suitable for direct transmission over long distance due to its low frequency range, even if it is converted into an electrical signal. Now, see chapter number 4, modulation and demodulation. Now, in that chapter, contents are modulation, amplitude modulation, modulation index, frequency modulation, phase modulation, demodulation, and advantages of frequency modulation over amplitude modulation. Modulation is the process of producing a wave in which some characteristic, usually amplitude, frequency, or phase of a voltage, is varied in accordance with the instantaneous value of some other voltage called modulating voltage. Now, in paper number 11, that is based on General Electronics course code number PHY 205, that having the physics practical course code number PHY 207. Now, in that course, energy band gap of semiconductor using thermistor. Also, the experiment number 2, that is IV characteristic of solar cell. Now, in experiment number 3, calibration of bridge wire using Gary-Foster bridge. 4 number, that is determination of absolute capacity of condenser using BG. And in 5, full wave rectifier with pi filter. Also, viscosity of liquid using Sear's viscometer. And in experiment number 7, high resistance by leakage through condenser. And in 8, viscosity of liquid by oscillating disc method. Now, reference books for this paper. First reference book is Basic Principle of Electronics by V.K. Mehta. Second, that is Basic Electronics and Linear Circuit by N.N. Bhargava. And in third, an introduction to electronic edition number 2 or 3 by A.P. Malvino. And in 4, radio engineering by M.L. Gupta. And also the another book, that is an introduction of electronics by K.J. M. Rao. Thank you.